Good morning dear student. Today I am uploading an article writing which topic is importance of positive thinking. It is fact that human life is a kind of boon for all of us. A large number of people believe that human life comes after millions of lives and deaths. So we must not waste our lives in useless things, wrong habits. We should have no pity for ourselves. Having a positive thinking is a key to joy and happiness as it reduces stress. It is also a fact that life is a big struggle. But it is known that we have a free will and can make or ruin our lives. So, why shouldn't we make life an enjoyable experience? It is to be possible through work, playing games, yogic exercises, and socializing. Life with positive thinking, we shall improve our lives, ensure happiness, prosperity, and good health.